MarketPulse, Tuesday, April 14th. Peace talks spark a pre-market rally as Iran war resolution hopes drive futures sharply higher. S&P futures at 68.86, up 1.02%. Nasdaq surging 1.23% to 23,184. Dow climbing 0.6% to 48,218.
Diplomacy takes center stage as US and Iranian negotiating teams may return to Islamabad for peace talks this week. Multiple sources confirm the potential resumption of dialogue despite ongoing port blockades. Markets pricing in hope for conflict de-escalation as both sides signal willingness to negotiate.
Broad-based green across sector heat maps. Technology leading at 2.1%. Financials up 1.75%. Only utilities and consumer staples showing red this morning as defensive trades unwind. Classic risk-on rotation underway. Technology and financials driving the charge as peace hopes reduce geopolitical premium. Energy surprisingly muted despite oil volatility. Defensive sectors like utilities and staples selling off as investors chase growth. Individual stock winners led by Salesforce surging 4.8% on cloud momentum. Intel climbing 4.5% as chip recovery gains steam. Palo Alto Networks, Coinbase, and Thermo Fisher all posting strong gains above 3.5%. AT and AT&T leading decliners, down 3.2% on dividend cut concerns. Goldman Sachs falling nearly 2% ahead of earnings. Costco, Walmart, and Coca-Cola all retreating as defensive trades reverse on peace optimism.
Oil pulling back sharply. WTI crude down 1.6% to 97.48. 10-year yields steady at 4.3%. Gold gaining 1.2% to 47.99. Bitcoin holding near 74,400. GDP growth rate at 8:30 a.m. Consensus expects negative 0.5% quarter-over-quarter. Wells Fargo and Citigroup kick off bank earnings before the bell. Credit quality metrics will be closely watched.
Three things to watch today. Number 1, Islamabad peace talks as U.S. and Iranian negotiators may resume discussions this week on conflict resolution. Number 2, big bank earnings with Wells Fargo and Citigroup reporting before the bell, credit quality key. Number 3, oil price action as Watt and TI crude falls 1.6% while peace hopes temper supply concerns. MarketPulse is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this episode constitutes financial advice or investment recommendations. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results.